Chalo, I'm gonna keep it really raw. Uh, just gonna be really like a quick weekly outlook होगा ये मैं video बना के. So this is, we have these relative equal lows here, major pool of sell side. I hope screen में दिख रहा हो. Give me a second. Okay. So we're gonna look at our 15-minute time frame. We have a हमको मिला है इधर close हुआ, and we have our new week opening gap. So it's a, what do you call it? It's a discount opening range gap, क्योंकि प्राइस इधर बंद हुई है और खुली नीचे है, तो हम उसको कहते हैं डिस्काउंट ऑर्ग. डिस्काउंट ऑर्ग है हमारे पास, और we've already reached daily का -3 and -4 standard deviation. So the reason price did not fall here, there were no lower prices last week, all of this price action was because daily का standard deviation होना बाकी था. So if you actually look at the final leg between the manipulation, this leg right daily पर थोड़ा और clear है. ये है ना इसका जो स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन -2.5 के ऊपर बॉडी जब क्लोज होती है, वी ऑलवेज एंटिसिपेट -3.5 एंड -4. ये हर टाइम फ्रेम के लिए. देयर इज नो, व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट कॉन्सेप्ट्स, it applies to all the time frames from 5 seconds to the weekly and the monthly. So time frames is not the issue here. We have a previous week's give me a second. Oh yeah, abhi dikh raha hai. We have a previous week's -20% and 30% here. So anticipating maybe a return into previous week's, to complete the late TGIF. Either I'm going to zoom in after a while, and we have a few new week opening gaps here. मैंने mark करके रखे हैं because they are key PD arrays, whatever you call it, gaps or arrays, whatever. Price always comes back into it. ये भी है हमारे पास इधर. And we also have a spool of sell side here. If I look closely, look at that. Right here, we have a pool of sell side. So we have relative equal lows here as well. A couple of relative equal lows. ये भाई engineer करते on purpose. I'll show you something. I don't know if it's going to play out, but either it consolidated. Okay. Now we got the buy side of the curve right there. If we can anticipate some kind of, I'm not saying that this is the high of, the market maker sell model, but maybe kahin upar jaake maybe reach -4 or something, and then if we can see a market maker sell model, but see all time highs hai bhai, it's too early. I'm not going to be interested zyada shorts karne ka until kuch bahut light bulb sa mile, if you're actually expecting something, and then if it's like in a power of 3 conversion, then yes, I'm interested in shorts. Other than that, मेरे को I'll be a little doubtful, but I'm actually honestly मेरे को ये जो previous weekly candle का mean threshold इधर mark किया है ना, उसके नीचे I'm expecting आने के लिए, so that at least थोड़े अच्छे longs बने, थोड़े अच्छे longs बन जाएंगे. नहीं तो maybe we might get a smart money reversal, we never know. Also मैं आपको जल्दी से मैं आपको Friday का price action दिखाता हूँ. Okay, so Friday opened up right here, goes lower, does not take out this low, right? ये हमारा है 830 candle का low भी यही है. So this is our data high, this is our data high right here. Okay, and that's our data low right there. So data high was taken, data low पर भाई there is a lot of, this is a major pool of sell side data highs. Okay, data lows and data highs, because all the long people इधर उन्होंने long करके stop लगाया है भाई. It's a bit of support as well, right? ये देखो relative equal lows. So ये है हमारा first presented fair value gap बना है 931. See, it was a it was a trending market. So पहले 5 मिनट में first presented बन गया, and we have relative equal lows here. So whenever first presented gets left as a breakaway gap, we always anticipate a return. Today आज हो सकता है, same session में हो सकता है, नहीं तो अगले हफ्ता भी हो सकता है, अगले महीना भी हो सकता है. It can happen, but it will happen, right? Algorithm will reprice into first presented, क्योंकि first present का अहमियत ही थोड़ा, it has a significant अहमियत. So that's what's happening. Maybe, so if price wants to expect lower prices, I'm interested here. I'm interested in a couple of new day opening gaps, minor sell side liquidity pool. ये भी relative equal lows ही है इधर 60 minute पर और दिख रहा है. But see again 60 minute पर, if you tell me, I'll be very naive to call out lower prices when price is here, right? मेरे को price, I want significant something either, give me like a change in the stated delivery, or at least give me a 4 hour change in the state of delivery. मेरे को वो चाहिए भाई, मेरे को चाहिए I'll actually need a 4 hour change in the state of delivery, and yes, at least मेरे को मिलना चाहिए some kind of SMTs at the highs and a lot of speed. I would demand a lot of speed for price because these markets have been really crazy. It's ये तो भाई one sided pump हो रहा है. So we'll be really cautious trying to short this week, but if price wants to explore these levels, ये सब mark करके रखे हैं भाई मैंने, and I'm gonna update as the week forms. I will update. Discord पर भी करूँगा, so follow the Discord, follow the Instagram, and also subscribe. I'll try to keep all these reviews short. I'll try to keep it ICT style. Abhi, I'm a bit tired. I don't want to get into details, but कल से I'll try to make consistent daily outlook and shit, with executions. इधर executions भी मिल रहे हैं भाई, मैं भी trade कर रहा हूँ बैठकर. This is not some dumb shit that's happening here. Everything is authentic, no ambiguity. All the moves, everything makes sense. You want to see some beauty? Look at that. That's new day opening up high right there. See? That's why. It's algorithmic, bro. This is algorithmic. ऐसे ही नहीं बनते. Price does not just move. It's an algorithm. Alright, boys. Anyway, take care. कल मिलते हैं by Monday. I hope it's not a lackluster Monday like last week. I hope मज़ा आए. करेंगे भाई. कुछ भी करेंगे भाई, लेकिन मज़ा लेंगे, bro.